Good morning, dear students. Yesterday, I told you some divisibility rules in previous classes. Now, today I will explain some more divisibility rules for exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. First question is this. First definition: if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. A number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. For example, 24 is divisible by 8. 24 is divisible by 8, and the factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8 also divisible, also divide 24. Also divide 24. 24 is divisible by 8, and the factor of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8 also divide 24. Second, if a number is divisible by 2 co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. If a number is divisible by 2, कोई भी नंबर को 2 को-प्राइम नंबर्स डिविजिबल हैं, डिवाइड करती हैं, तो उनका प्रोडक्ट भी उनको डिवाइड करेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, 30 इज अ नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 and 5. 30 is divisible by 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers, so 30 is divisible by 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 30 is divisible by 3 into 5. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum or difference are also divisible by that number. For example, 24 and 30. 24 and 30 are both divisible by 6. 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. Both numbers are divisible by 6. Then sum of both number 24 and 30, 54. 54 is also divisible by 6, and difference 24 and 30 difference is 6. 6 is also divisible by 6. So in both conditions, 24 and 30 divisible by 6, then sum of divisible by 6, then their sum or difference are also divisible by that number. So complete. Now becomes next exercise 3.5. Which of the following statements are true? Which of the following statements are true? Questions you have to write from book. First means A. If a number is divisible by 3, it must be divisible by 9. कोई भी नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल है, according to question, it must be divisible by 9. No, it is not necessary. That number also divisible by 9. So statement is false. So this statement is false. This means कोई नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल है तो 9 से भी डिविजिबल हो, it is not compulsory, not necessary. For example, 12 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. So this statement is false. Second statement B. If a number is divisible by 9, it must be divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 9, कोई नंबर 9 से डिविजिबल है तो वो 3 से भी डिविजिबल होगा. इट इज कंपल्सरी बिकॉज फैक्टर्स ऑफ 9 इक्वल्स टू 1, 3 and 9. So it is compulsory, or so this statement is true. C. A number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6. कोई नंबर 18 से divisible है. Any number is divisible by 18. That number is divisible by its factors also. For example, 18 is divisible by 3, 36 is divisible by 18, so 36 is also divisible by 3 and 6. So we can say a number is divisible by 18 if it is divisible by both 3 and 6, because 3 and 6 are factors of 18. So this statement is true. D option. If a number is divisible by 9 and 10 both, then it must be divisible by 90. Yes, because 10 and 9 is factor of 90. So this statement also true. Statement E. If two numbers are co-prime numbers, at least one of them must be prime. It is not compulsory, because two numbers are co-prime numbers. At least one of them must be prime. 20. 20 is product of 4 and 5, and 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. But for example, 15 and 4 both are co-prime number. 15 and 4 both numbers are co-prime number, but both are not prime number. Both number 4 and 15 composite number. So this statement is false. F. All numbers which are divisible by 4 must also be divisible by 8. No, it is not necessary. कोई number 4 से divisible है, तो it is not necessary that number can be divisible by 8. So this statement is also false. G. Option G. All numbers which are divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4. Yes, all numbers are divisible by 8 must also be divisible by 4. Yes, it is compulsory. Any number is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 4 also. So this is true. And H. If a sum exactly divides two numbers separately, it must exactly divides their sum. Yes, if a number exactly divides two numbers separately, it must exactly divide their sum. 4, 20 and 30. For example, 20 and 30 both numbers are divisible by 6, then sum of these numbers 54 is also divisible by 6. So this statement is also true. And last I. If a number exactly divides the number sum of two numbers, it must exactly divide the two numbers separately. It is not necessary. So this is false. In question number 2, here are two different vector 460. Write the missing numbers. Here are two different factors 460. 60 equals to 6 into 10. Factor of 60, 6 into 10. Then 10 equals to 5 into 2. So this the missing number is 2. Here 6 equals to 2 into 3. So missing number is 3. Prime factor of 6 equals to 2 into 3. Prime factor of 10 equals to 2 into 5. 10 is divisible by 5 and 2. And 6 is also divisible by 2 and 3. Here 60 is divisible by 30 and 2. 30 into 2 equals to 60. And 10 into 3 equals to 30. And 10 which number? A number which is divisible by, or we can say 10 is divisible. 10 is divisible by 2 and 5. So these numbers are 2 and 5. So missing numbers. So complete question number 2.